It smells so good. I'm hungry. A large bowl for my mom, a medium bowl for my sister, and a small bowl for me.
Here are the ingredients for 4 to 5 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. I invite you to watch my video to learn how to make a delicious homemade red curry paste. Start by soaking 400 grams of rice noodles in cold water for 2 hours. Prepare the broth with pork bones, 1.5 liters of water and half teaspoon of salt. Bring it to the boil. When it starts to boil, skim it and let it simmer on low heat for 30 minutes. Slice 10 grams of galangal. Crush 1 lemongrass and cut it in half. Tear 5 kaffir lime leaves. Now prepare the vegetables. Cut 2 cabbage leaves into thin strips. Grate a carrot. Add 100 grams of bean sprouts. Cut 100 grams of green beans into small sections. The galangal leaves in sections. Roughly cut the mint leaves and the cilantro. Mince 2 spring onions. Put 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan heated over medium heat. When the oil is hot, put the spring onion. Briefly stir and cut the fire. Keep it aside. Briefly beat 3 eggs. Now cook the red curry soup. In a saucepan, heat it over low heat. Put 5 tablespoons of thick part of the coconut milk with cheese on the surface. Put 100 grams of homemade red curry paste. If you use the one that you buy in the store, reduce the amount by half. Stir for 5 minutes to release all the flavors of the curry paste. Then add 500 grams of ground pork, the galangal, the lemongrass, the kaffir lime leaves, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of salted soybeans, half teaspoon of salt, and 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. Put on medium heat and stir from time to time for 5 minutes. Add the coconut milk. The broth. Stir and bring to the boil with the lid. As soon as it starts to boil, simmer for 10 minutes on low heat, leaving a lid slightly open. Gently pour the beaten egg with circular movements. 1 minute later, gently stir and cut the fire. The rice noodles are rehydrated after 2 hours of soaking. Cook them in boiling water for 20 seconds. Then drain them. Put them in a large bowl. Pour the spring onion on. Mix. Prepare the bowl for each guest. Put in a portion of rice noodles, 3 to 4 ladles of soup, some vegetables, chili oil for those who love it.
Bon appétit!
The flavors of the meat, the red curry, and the coconut milk combine in a delicious way. The salted soybeans bring out all the flavors. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.